A lot of people been asking me, man, Tro, what's going on with the crypto space? How you feeling about crypto right now? And are you done with crypto? This is coming from, family members who I was telling, no, not just family members, but family and friends who I've been telling about crypto since I've been investing. I've been investing in crypto since 2019, 2020. And it's been a couple years. So I experienced, a bear cycle. I experienced the bull market. I experienced another bear and another bull. And now people are claiming that we are in a bear market. And me honestly, in my personal opinion, I think that we are in a beautiful time in the market. And I will say, I did lose. I wouldn't even say lose. I did, pretty much have a depreciation of $7,000, guys, $7,000 since those highs in December. But I'm here to tell you, I'm still in it to win it, baby, because everything's aligning right now perfectly for the crypto space. When I'm looking at, coin market cap, currently the fear and greed index is 22 out of 100. The altcoin index is 17 out of 100. And we truly have yet to see a true altcoin season. Usually with these altcoin seasons, we see a euphoric feeling across the entire market. Excuse me. But this turn around or whatever, we really haven't seen a complete pump other than after the election in November. We seen a pump, in November. Everybody thought, okay, we going, straight up. It's straight to the moon now. We ain't stopping. Nothing's going to stop us. But once we hit 2025, we saw prices did start to come down from those local highs that we seen in November. But if we look across the board, everything is pointing in the right direction. What I mean by that? What you mean by that, Tro? Well, if we look, we see a lot of people, especially the President Trump. We know about the also elected officials. They've been in the talks about a Bitcoin reserve. And we had that the crypto committee or the crypto meeting that they had was also a huge success. Let them tell it. So a lot of things are pointing into the direction of keeping innovation, keeping crypto innovation in the United States and watching United States grow on top of blockchain technology. And I do think this is going to happen also because we see billion-dollar companies, man, not million, billion-dollar companies are investing in Bitcoin. But not only Bitcoin, they're investing in altcoins as well. So if they're doing that, if they're investing, that's telling us something, because just a couple years ago, these companies would not touch cryptocurrencies with a 10-foot stick. They would not get close to cryptocurrencies. And now we're saying that they're changing the sentiment and saying everybody should have at least, 1% of their portfolio in cryptocurrencies. And this is coming from the BlackRocks, the Fidelities, all of these big, huge asset money managers that are controlling billions of dollars now. And altogether, they're controlling trillions of dollars. So just think of, once that influx of money comes in, and not only that, we're starting to see a lot of these companies also filing for altcoin ETFs, not just Bitcoin ETFs, but altcoin ETFs as well. So that's also something that I believe is very bullish for the crypto space. And I know this title might look clickbaity. People gonna say, Tro, you didn't lose because you didn't sell. I mean, I just wanted you to watch the video, man. I appreciate you for tuning in. That's all I wanted. I wanted you to watch the video. Yes, I didn't technically lose that money because I'm going to continue to dollar cost average. And that's one of the things in the crypto space that, you got to have. I would say in the crypto projects that I look into, I make sure that, of course, it has somewhat utility unless it's a meme coin. And if it's a meme coin, I want it to have a good community, a strong conviction community, like a cult-like community. Nothing beats a cult-like community. in the meme coin space. But in all other coins, I'm looking for utility, also court-like communities, and are they actually building out what they say that they're going to do? And those cryptocurrencies, if they have that, I have conviction, and I don't care how far the price goes down, because that just gives me a better buying opportunity. That lets me be able to compound these things very, very fast, especially right now. I do think Q2 will be a great time for the crypto space. I do think going into Q2 of 2025, we'll start to see prices appreciate again, and that's when we'll see these altcoins take off. So I'm just telling you guys, hold your horses, man. Be patient. Let the market come to you. And if you got a good project, I'm not telling you what necessarily to invest in, but if you find a project that has a good community, that has utility, that is building on what they said they're going to do, then don't look at the outside noise. I know people go on Twitter and it's all gloomy. It's all crypto isn't doing anything. And it's people who are looking at it from a trader's perspective. I look at it from more so investor perspective. I don't care about the short-term price action, because if you go back to Bitcoin, 10 years ago, if you cared about short-term price action, you would have been washed away a long time ago. But if you just would have invested over long periods of time, and when I say long periods of time, I'm not talking about 20 years or anything, because in the crypto space, I look at a long period of time as a year plus. If you hold these assets over the course of a couple of years, maybe throughout from one bear market to a full-on bull market, then you will see these prices or these crypto projects appreciate like crazy. And if you go on CoinMarketCap, 9 times out of 10, if you zoom out, a lot of these projects that have been around, that continue to build now, that continue to build, that continue to put out information, and that continue to provide value to its end users, they appreciate it like crazy. So that's why I'm telling guys, man, I'm not selling. I'm here to stay. I'm in crypto for life. I'm not going to lie to you. I want to look back, 20 years from now and be like, I remember making this video in 2025 and this was like my crypto journey. And that's what I'm doing. I just want to show everybody, and myself included, the journey in this, because this is a lifelong journey. Crypto is just getting started. If you look at it, just look at the data that's presented to us. We are actually, the crypto blockchain technology user adoption is actually growing faster than internet adoption when the internet first came out. And if we look and see today, we can't literally go a day without using the internet. And I know people like, I could go a day without using the internet. Well, are you on your phone right now? How you watching this video right now? All these things play a part, man, and it's seamless. The internet we use today is seamless. Back in the day, you knew you was get on the internet because you had to do the dial up. It took so long to get onto it. You had to wait till it connected and things like that. Now we can literally get on our phones, get on the internet from our phones, and not even realize we're using the internet. I mean, we know we're using it at the end of the day, but at the same time, it's so seamless that we don't take a step back and look how far the internet has grown since the inception, or since the 90s when the internet first came out. And like I said, blockchain technology and the user adoption is growing faster than the internet adoption. And we can't go a day without using the internet today. So in the future, I do believe blockchain technology will play a bigger part. And I'm not saying any specific project or anything like that. You can go watch all my other videos for that, tune into those. But at the end of the day, man, we are here to stay. Blockchain technology is here to stay. Crypto is here to stay. And we just getting started, baby. Crypto Tro, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on those notifications. I'm out of here.